Welcome back. You're tuned into Good Life Mantra and we are all set for our skin whitening facial here, and Emma is going to do it on Liani. Liani is the model for the day. So Emma, let's start with the facial.
Okay.
So now the first is the cleanser, the tri-basic cleanser.
Okay, so this is not your ordinary face wash actually. You see it's like pearly white, yeah?
This is basically to remove all the dirt.
Yeah, but more than that, it actually has an ingredient that promotes skin lightening.
Okay.
Okay, now when you actually do the program, this is also the cleanser that you will be using every day.
Okay.
Okay, so you do that twice a day. Okay, so include whatever you apply on the face, okay? You will also apply that on the neck so that the color is even.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, so you do that. And then after that, okay, I'm going to wash it off now, and then we're going to do an exfoliation. Now, the difference of the approach that I am using, Vyoma, is that I don't want to do any chemical peel, and I don't want to do anything that would actually hurt her. So the kind of exfoliant that I will be using on her is actually from pumpkin enzymes. Pumpkin, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is now the polishing peel,
Okay.
which contains pumpkin.
Okay.
Okay, and part of the program as well, you will be doing this. Okay, you can do this at home as well. Okay, twice a month, twice a week you will be using this. Okay, so that's the second thing.
So first the cleanser and then the pumpkin cream and then the next.
Okay, and then after this, I will be applying a special mask that will actually remove, all the deep-seated dirt. Okay. You know, you would be amazed, especially with men. This is very visual when done also on men, or those who have never done any treatment on the face. You will be amazed that just with this facial alone, you can really see,
The skin is very smooth and
I mean, like the color, you can really see a difference. Okay, especially for those who don't look after the skin. Yeah? Okay. So Liani, you look after your skin. You see, nothing much is coming out. If you have somebody who have a lot of dead skin, a lot of it actually will be coming out. Yeah? But here on the nose, a lot of it are coming out with Liani. Okay. There's no grain at all here. With this one. Okay.
Okay, so now we have wiped her face.
Okay.
And all the dead skin has come out.
So I'm gonna do this now. Okay, this is not your ordinary mud pack. This is called the glacial marine mud. This particular mud comes from the Pacific Northwest. So it contains at least 50 minerals. Okay, that absorbs. It's like a vacuum cleaner. We call it a vacuum cleaner of the face.
Okay.
Okay, all the deep-seated dirt and oil, it will absorb that one. Okay, now to speed this up, we'll turn on the fan. Okay, it will be faster with the fan. So I'm gonna wipe this off now. Okay, and then after this, I'm going to apply now the mask.
Okay.
Okay, now I'm going to tone now because I'm going to close the pores. And this is strawberry extract. Now, fruit acids, which you get from strawberry extract, actually helps tighten the pores, and it has a skin lightening effect.
Okay.
Okay, now I'm going to use now, this is called a radiance mask.
Okay. Radiance mask. And how does this mask help me now?
It contains certain ingredients, actually, that would help lighten the skin.
So to name a few, what type of ingredients? I mean, how does it
Secret formula.
So that's a secret, and Emma is not going to disclose it on camera, is it? But you're going to tell me later, right?
No, actually it's a blend. No? It's not just one ingredient. Okay, it's a blend of several ingredients.
Several ingredients.
Correct.
And we need to keep this for how long?
About 10 minutes.
Okay.
At the very least. Okay.
Okay, so 10 minutes is enough, you know, for the
For that, you will see some
skin to absorb.
Correct. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so now 10 minutes is over, and let's remove the mask now, Emma. Okay, so you have a face, you know,
yes.
all the ingredients are there on the face.
Okay, now and then
You need to massage.
you massage, and then you actually leave it on there.
Okay. Yeah, so after the massage, is it over? I mean, the
Yes,
treatment?
okay. So the way I normally do it is that, say you have you're going out somewhere. Okay, after this, then I will not apply the last one that I have done. I would rather give it to you, and you'll be doing it at home, because I
Okay.
want this. But this is the most important part of this particular treatment, because that serum I want it to be really absorbed.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, and the longer you keep it, the better, you know, the skin
Yes.
can absorb it.
Yes. Yeah.
You done with the
That's
treatment
it.
now?
Done. Okay.
Okay. So I think we'll show it to Liani.
Yeah, Liani,
If she can feel any difference,
Yeah. Take me help.
you can get up. Well, definitely. I mean,
Yeah,
one difference that
yeah.
I see, Emma, here is, you know, you have her face before. There were a lot of, you know, I mean,
Yes, it's
from a
much brighter, yeah.
naked eye, you can't see much of pigmentation, but still you can see a little bit of, you know, pigments form on your skin, and this is quite smooth. And definitely, you know, you feel fresh, and it lightens your skin also. Wow, what do you think, Liani? It has lightened?
Liani, I didn't throw this because you know what? This is a lot of serum. You can use it on other part of your body.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so I think I'm sure Liani is also happy with the treatment, the skin whitening treatment, skin whitening facial. So guys, it's time for a short break, but don't go anywhere. We are just done with one treatment. Well, the most important treatment, that's the walnut body polish, is remaining. So be back and experience a Welcome back to Good Life Mantra. So guys, I am on this luxurious gold bed, and I have Emma again with me. Well, she is going to do the walnut body polish on me, right?
That's correct.
Okay, but preferably I would like my hand to be, you know, polished, because it's, as we were mentioning in the first, you know, segment, it's really tanned. So, you know, so tell me, like, you know, how the way we should go about it.
Okay, so earlier we've done the face, but the thing is, if you want full body to be, the tone to be even, or you want a lighter skin tone, of course you cannot, it will be too expensive for you to do the triphasic white of the whole body. So the way we do it, you'll actually be taking, this is when I recommend a skin whitening pill called glutathione. Okay, it's an antioxidant only. It's not a drug or anything. It's an antioxidant that detoxifies the liver.
Okay.
And the effect is it inhibits or controls the melanin production.
Okay.
Okay, the skin pigments that give you a darker skin, it will be controlled.
Okay, so these are antioxidants which you can
Yes.
take 1 to 2,
It
on a day.
detoxifies. Okay,
Okay.
it detoxifies.
Okay, and the side effect is itself skin lightening. So that is what you want to achieve, and that's what it's giving, right?
Exactly.
Okay, so let's start with the walnut body polish.
What I'm gonna do now, of course, we do this on the from neck down to the tip of your toes. We'll
Okay.
do that. So, like what I have done earlier, I cleansed the face. I'm also gonna be cleansing
Okay.
Vyoma's arm,
Okay.
and this is very, very dramatic, especially on the parts of the body where we're actually darker. Okay, like the underarm, the elbows. Okay, so I'm gonna work on Vyoma's elbow.
Okay.
Okay, so you do the cleansing. Okay, then we wipe it. That's another one. And then after that, now I'm gonna do, this is walnuts. This is what I use to exfoliate. I don't actually do, this is walnut husks. Okay, I don't actually use anything abrasive.
Okay. So here, what we are doing is,
I'm now
this is an
using-
extract of walnut.
No, not extract. This,
Okay.
these are walnut husks.
Okay, walnut husks.
Okay. You see, it's very gentle.
Yeah, and you have small particles,
Correct.
that I can
Okay.
feel on my skin, and that's
Right.
what Emma is doing. Emma is rubbing
Yes.
those and massaging.
Yeah. Okay, then after this, this is a very luxurious treatment because the marine mud that I use on the face, we also use it on the body.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, definitely, it's a very luxurious treatment, and I am enjoying on this beautiful bed here
Okay.
and getting
So
the
we're gonna-
applications done.
Okay, we'll do this marine mud.
Is up, and now we're going to wipe it, and we wipe it with a hot towel.
Yeah. Okay, and then after this, I'm gonna use, we call it, this is perennial.
Okay, so now we're done.
Okay, yeah, okay, so now I want you to, can you like touch this? Touch this? Now compare it to the other one.
Yeah, definitely. You have here, I can feel there are a lot of small, particles as if, it's always there.
Correct, yes.
And, this is very smooth. I can't see the difference because it's on my elbows, but as Emma is pointing out, there is a difference,
feel.
and particularly for, those people who have a lot of, this skin area is
See,
very
the
dark.
purpose for this basically is to get you on a good start by removing all the dead skin, because when you have dry skin, you have a lot of dead skin.
Okay.
So we'll remove that and it will moisturize it, and then so that when you start taking your whitening pill, okay, it will be more effective.
Okay, and this treatment that I just underwent, Emma, this will last for how long?
Well, again, it depends on your lifestyle, okay? But I would recommend that if you're on the treatment, ideally if you're on this treatment, get it done at least once a month, okay? But if you're really, really dry, I would recommend twice in a month.
Okay.
Okay, now the way I do it, I observe the result, and then I would recommend accordingly.
Okay. So guys, I think I'm done with one hand, and I really thank Emma for coming on the show again and for
You're
showing us
welcome.
these beautiful treatments. Well guys, I'll get my other hand later, but I think it's a wrap now, and thanks a lot, Emma, for being on the show. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
No peeling and no pricking. These non-invasive treatments gives you a much lighter skin and helps you exfoliate skin impurities. So now you know how to prepare yourself for that look which will make heads turn in the crowd. That's all from my side, but if you have any queries related to skin, then send in your mails on response@newsmylife.com and we will have it solved from our skin experts. That's all. Till then, bye-bye.